As a commerce student, you are familiar with the word interest. Now, today we'll do chapter on interest. There are two chapters. One is simple interest, another one is compound interest. Now, first we'll do what is simple interest. Say you have borrowed 100 rupees from a person. Now, you have to pay after 1 year. Now, 100 rupees you have to pay after 1 year with 10% interest. Say after 1 year with 10% interest. Then how much will you pay? 100 into 10%. So, 10% of 100. It will be equal to 10. That means after 1 year, your interest is what? Interest is rupees 10. And how much you are paying? 100 that you have to pay, that you have to borrow from him, you have to pay plus 10 rupees. So it will be what? 110. This we called amount. So now what is SI? And what is the difference between SI and CI? Now first, what is SI? Simple interest, we always calculate interest, how many months or how many years it may be, how many months or how many years it may be, we will always calculate interest on the principal amount, That means, say your principal amount is rupees P. Say interest is R%, so at the rate of R% per annum, interest equal to R% of principal, like this one, 10% of 100. So same here also, R% of principal, this will become PR by 100. This is interest for first year at the rate of R% per annum. Interest, I can write here, for first year. Now, first year interest is this one. Then what is the interest for second year or 2 year? Interest for 2 years will be what? If 1 year it is PR by 100, and if we always calculate interest on the principal, then second year also it will be PR by 100. Third year also it will be PR by 100. So, after first year PR by 100, second year again PR by 100. So, how many PR by 100? 2 PR by 100. So, PR2 by 100. So, interest after third year, interest for 3 years will be what? PR3 by 100. Similarly, going on like this, interest in general, interest for n years, equal to PRN by 100. 1 year PR by 100, 2 year PR by 100 plus PR by 100, that means 2 PR by 100. 3 year 3 PR by 100, so n year it will be what? PRN by 100. So, if principal equal to P is the principal, R equal to rate of interest, N equal to number of years, then your SI equal to simple interest will be always equal to PNR by 100. Now what is amount? What I have told amount equal to, in this one what I have told amount equal to the main principal plus interest. So amount equal to main principal plus interest. What is the interest? PNR by 100. So this is formula for calculating simple interest. P and R by 100, where P is the principal, N is number of year, R rate of interest, and divided by 100. So what is the difference between SI and CI. What is the difference between SI and CI? SI and CI. In case of SI, we always calculate interest on the principal. We always calculate interest on the principal. See here, first year interest on the principal. Second year also interest on the principal itself. Third year also interest on the principal. That means if you take 100 rupees from someone and interest is your 10%, that means first year interest is 10. Second year same. Second year same. 10% of what? 100. After 100 year also, it will be same. 100 rupees, 10%. But in case of CI, we don't calculate interest on the original principal. What we do, in case of CI, we calculate, say you have taken, in case of CI, say you have taken 100 rupees. Now what will do in first year, what will do? Say 10%, interest is 10%, so 10% of 100 is what? Rupees 10. Now your amount will be what? Amount will be principal plus interest. So after first year, your amount will be what? Rupees 110. Now, for second year, you have to calculate interest again. For second year, you have to again calculate interest. Now, how will calculate interest? For second year, interest will be not on this 100, will be on what? Will be on 110. On 110. 10% of 110. So, this will be, say, equal to 1 0 cancel from this one. 1 0 cancel, 1 here cancel. So, this will be equal to what? 11. That means, in case of SI, say you have taken 100 rupees. Say interest is 10%. After 2 years, you will return how much? 0 0 0 0 cancel, you will return 20. But in case of CI, you have taken 100 rupees. Your first year interest will be 10 rupees. Your second year interest, first year interest will be, you have taken 100 rupees. Your first year interest will be 10 rupees. Here I am writing. Your first year interest will be 10 rupees. But your second year interest will be what? Second year interest will be 11 rupees. So total interest will be equal to what? 21. In case of SI, after 2 years, your total interest is rupees 20. But in case of CI, your total interest become what? 21. 1 rupee more. So that is the difference. What is the difference here? That in case of SI, we always calculate interest on the original principal. But in case of CI, we don't calculate interest on the original principal. But amount at that year. We calculate interest on amount at that year. Okay. So, we got a formula. SI equal to PNR by 100. Now, we'll do some. Say, one question I am writing. Find the simple interest SI on rupees 10,000 for 6 years. On rupees 10,000 for 6 years, 3 months. 6 year, 3 months. 6 year, 3 months at 8% per annum. 6 year, 3 months at 8% per annum. Now, first, what is principal? Rupees 10,000. What is rate? 8%. What is time or number of years? 6 year, 3 months. Now, 3 months is 3 by 12 year. That means 6 plus 1 by 4. That means 25 by 4 years. Now, what do you have to find? We have to find SI. What is the formula? SI equal to P and R by 100. What is P? 10,000. What is R? What is N? 25 by 4. What is R? 8 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 4, 25. 25 into 25, 625. 625 into 8. 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16, 17 into 19, 20. 8 6 is 48, 49, 50. So rupees 5,000. This is question number, say, 1. So another one I am doing. Say question number 2. Find SI as well as amount on rupees 7200 from 13 Jan 1987 to 27th March 1987 at 5% per annum. Now here principal is your what? Again, principal equal to rupees what? 7200. Rate is what? 5. Now your time. Now time they have given what? In months they have given. What given? From 13 January 1987 to 27 March 1987. So I am writing here, see, January plus February plus March. Now January from 13th, we have to consider 13. 13 also we have to consider. Means first date is inclusive. So 13 also we have to consider. So January from 13 to 31st. How many days are there? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 19 days. Plus February, since 1987 it is not a leap year, not divisible by 4, so it is not a leap year. 1987 is not divisible by 4, so it is not a leap year. So this will be what? 28 days. Plus March 27, but we will not consider 27. First date is inclusive, the last date is exclusive. So we will not consider 27. So how many days? It will be 26 days. So it will be equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 23. 2 to 4, 5, 6, 73. 73 days. Remember, this number, most of the time, this number is multiple of 73, always a multiple of 73. This number of days. If it is given in terms of month, or in terms of days, then this number must be always multiple of 73. Now, 73 days means you have to convert it into years. 73 divided by 365 years. This will be equal to what? 1 by 5 years. Now we will find SI equal to PNR by 100. P is 7200. R is 5. N is 1 by 5 by 100. 5 cancel. 0 cancel. So it will be equal to what? Rupees 72. So SI equal to what? SI equal to rupees 72. So what is the amount? Amount equal to principal plus SI. Now principal, P equal to what? P equal to 7200. And your SI is what? 72. So 7272 rupees. Rupees 7272.